Another killer deal. Big shout out to Daniel at Milwaukee Tool Deals. A lot of you already have these, but for people that do not have these or want an extra spare set, this is a killer deal. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. That really does help the channel. Alright, so we got M12 fuel, 12 volts, brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo, tool with the bit set, a 45 piece. So you pretty much, this is a good gift if you guys want to give it, because it does come with that 45 piece bit set, so it's set to go. It is $229 down from $255. And check this out. Go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're gonna punch it in. You're gonna choose the most expensive one, which is the ratchet, or you can, if you guys want to hack the light or whatever you guys want to do, it is hackable. You want to hack all these tools, you can choose from the soldering iron, the ratchet, the 3/8 right angle drill, cordless oscillator multi-tool, and the USB charging rubber light. You're going to choose the ratchet, add it to the cart, and check this out. The ratchet's actually pretty good at $90. Not the best, but yeah, pretty good. But check this out, the impact driver driver combo, it's $138. That's a really good deal for a spare set. Definitely check it out. I'll leave you guys a link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.